Okay, for Chapter 1, Introduction Pasdec Holding Berhad. Pasdec Holding Berhad, based in Pahang, has been listed on the Bursa Malaysia Main Board of Security Berhad. The company vision is to be an excellent and diverse conglomerate with diversification into other venture. Its mission is to be a respected organisation in the real estate sector with diversification into other venture that provide the best return. Okay, for the Chapter 2, Current Earning. Based on the graph below, Pasdec Company's net profit is 61,155 by 30 March 2021, and the percentage of QOQ from 1549% to 106%. So this show that the corporation has slowed down and the current quarter of income is negative. So I classify 0 in the table cancelling. Okay, for the annual earning growth for Pasdec Company, annual earning growth, I classify is 0 in table cancelling. The percentage decreased slightly over the first Q1 20 July to August 2020 while developing loss. Between November and June, revenues decreased significantly and there is a profit to correspond with this. So the revenue has an upward trend on 30 March 21, once more in June 2021, and there is a decrease. So profit also show minor fluctuation throughout the final quarter of the year. New product, new management and news. So news in the Pasdec Holding Berhad, reboost earning are not all good news for shareholder. So Pasdec Holding Berhad posted strong earning but share did not move much. So the Malaysian company has unusual item boosting profit by RM 75 million. So it's produced a free cash flow of RM 3.6 million during the period, falling short of its reported profit of RM 83.2 million. So we classify this new as a 0. For supply and demand, the chart appears for 6 months from 40 December 2020 until 40 June 2021. So the market has been quite volatile since April. Looking at the figure, the volume of Pasdec is 211,900, but the average volume is 937,100. So this data suggests that the demand for Pasdec share is low, causing investor to be less interested in owning a stock. So if the Pasdec wanted to boost a price in the future, its company advocated cutting their share supply. So overall, we classify no demand at Glomec and 0 in the cancelling table. Okay, for the Chapter 6, Leader or Laggard, stock highly correlation with Gransdo 94%, Eccles 91%, Pentech 90%, and Success 90%. So this leader in this company is Eccles and laggard is Pasdec, to determine which stock are more sensitive to respond to any news related to a particular industry. So one way to determine whether a stock is a leader or a laggard is to compare the stock price movement with the movement of the stock index involved. So I classify leader and laggard Pasdec is a 0, which is negative. Okay, next for institutional investor. For Pasdec, the adjusted float in this company is 32.8% is the retailer and 70% is an institutional investor. The institutional investor is Perbadanan Kemajuan Negeri Pahang with 37.23 of value. So the number of share is 400 million. And to summarize, in a cancelling analysis table, I classify this company as a 1, which is positive. Chapter 8, Market Direction. Pasdec started in 2003 with a price of 0.485, and on December 2005, the decline began to occur sharply and plummeted to the price of 0.265. And on July 2007, the price increased to 0.760, where the highest price recorded was 0.795. Moreover, on March 2020, the lowest price was recorded, which was 0.185. And the trend in earning Pasdec has become lucrative over the previous 5 years, with earning increased by 67.3% every year on average. So this news as a 0 in a table cancelling analysis. So as the conclusion, Pasdec Holding Berhad did not offer sufficient previous data and analysis projection data. Its future earning cannot be determined based on the past data or analyzer projection. The company has globalized its market but needs to manage the stock market business properly. So Pasdec coordinates and market resources to promote new growth. So that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.